Charlie, you're my only hope. And this young Padawan is how to be a carpenter. If I were a carpenter, if you were a lady, would you marry me as my lady? This end touches the floor. Alright, now, what I want you to do is critical. Right on the point of the ear. Got it? Yep. We can use this as a plumb bob, not to be confused with a gym bob. Okay, what I want you to do is let this go down until it's about maybe ½ inch off the ground. Do whatever you need to do. Just walk around. This way. Another 2x4x8. Put your foot on one. That's it. That's 2x4x8. Yep. Alright, which one's 10 footer? Over there. Okay, that's the long one. Which one's this one? Okay, that's more than 2 foot shorter. This one. That's the same length. Keep going. This one. That's an 8 footer. That one. That's an 8 footer. Right back there. Over there, the short one. Okay.
Now you see what I go through every day, Patrick.
Okay, now does that one look like it's not these? Yes, it is, because this looks like it's 2 feet shorter than the other. I should join the army. And this young Padawan is how to be a carpenter. If I were a carpenter,